Riffin has got a question. He's 30 years old, and again, his goal is to build a 2 crore portfolio. Riffin, if you're 30 and if you're investing 33,000 rupees per month right now through SIPs, I think you should dream much bigger. Varun will be able to tell you. He's looking to invest through SIPs, and he's asking if he's on the right track. Would you also be able to give him some advice as to where he should split this 33,000, Varun?
And obviously, I think the biggest advantage that you have is that you have time by your side, that you have an easily 12 to 15-year horizon in front of you. And given your age, right, obviously today, given what the market conditions are, obviously, I think we construct portfolios, let's say, with a slightly higher large cap bias. In the large cap category, you could look at something like an ICICI True Blue Chip Fund or a DSP Top 100 or the HDFC Top 100 fund for a large cap allocation. In the flexi cap category, you could look at a JM flexi cap or a Parag Parikh flexi cap and keep your allocation to large cap today at about 65 to 70%. I do not have an understanding whether you're doing it this for the first time or you have seen the volatility of the mid cap and the small cap segment. But if you continue to put in into both of these categories through an SIP over a 7-year, 10-year period, then I think you should be okay. And maybe today allocate about 25-30% of your portfolio to mid cap and small cap, and maybe if we see a further correction down the line, try increasing that number slightly. But so in the mid cap category, you could look at a Motilal Oswal mid cap fund or a Nippon India growth fund. In the small cap category, you could look at a Bandhan small cap fund or the Nippon India small cap fund as well. And then, as Pankaj mentioned, maybe have a 5 to 7% allocation to your international portfolio as well. So creating this well basket of schemes across different market cap strategies and geographies will definitely help you reach your goal of 2 crores in the next 15 years.